Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to edit artificial lighting for a night interior rendering in Revit. First, review the default lighting setting. Step 1. To see an accurate lighting setting, change the render setting to interior, artificial only and high quality. Step 2. Open Visibility/Graphics Overrides VV for the 3D view. Step 3. Turn on lighting source to see the light source. Second, lighting setting. Step 1. Click the lighting fixture that you want to modify. Step 2. Click Edit Type. Click Duplicate and name the new type. Step 3. Modify photometrics initial intensity. I recommend adjusting the value of illuminance and at a distance of. Repeat this step for all other lighting sources. Step 4. Test render to see if the light fixtures are in the right setting. If you want to know how to add recessed indirect lighting, please refer to this video tutorial. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to edit artificial lighting for a night interior rendering in Revit. Thank you.